Ayan. Maambon. Meaning maambon. Meaning malamig kapag maambon. O diba? Ayan, this is Ruby. And those are the surrounding. Sis Marcy! Where is you, Sis Marcy? Ayan, salamat guys. Oh, grabe yung foggy. Ayan. Ayan, bumaba na ang tubig dito. Oh, wala nang tubig dyan. May konti na lang doon pa. May paddle. Ayan, kasapin nyo ako. Oy, mahirap magsalita, walang kausap. Ayan, mahirap magsalita, walang kausap, mga sister. Ayan, oh, konti na lang ang paddle. Busy ata mga tao. Ayan, foggy this area. Ayan, oh, foggy dyan. Kanina, walang foggy, hindi foggy. Foggy, 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 foggy. Now is foggy, right? There and there. Right there and there. Very foggy. Look at the sky. Hey, come on. Ayan, may tubig naman dyan, oh. Dito banda. Ayan. Sis Marcy, nasaan ka na, Sisi Marcy? Marcy Green, shout out. Pasensya na, Sisi. Ayan, oh. Grabe yung pagi na daanan. Wala na ba kayo dyan? Wala na akong kausap. Ayan, wala na ata akong kausap. Na busy na sila. Ayan, keep going. The title is Super Foggy Morning. Walking with Ruby. Ayan si Ruby. Klaro pero ayan. Yan, thank you guys. Wala nang tao, but that's okay. Hindi naman na ano. Hey, come on. Ayan, saan na kayo? Wala na akong kausap. Ayan, si Pia. Baba mo yung premiere mo. Ayan, yes. Yes. Inayos ko lang, Pia, sis. Wait lang. Okay, Sisi. Sisi, biglang ship ang surrounding. Tingnan mo, Sisi, very foggy now. Ayan, very foggy now, Sisi. Oh my God. Ayan, I'll see the house. Ayan, super foggy. Ayan. Okay, Sisi Pia. Ayan, oh, very foggy, guys. Biglang nag-ship yung, weather. Wow, bilis ng weather change. Kaya nga, Sisi, I told you so. The title is foggy and then bigla na lang, oh, wala kang makita. Hindi na makita yung bridge. Ayan, oh, biglang shift ng weather.